So working with my personal manager has been amazing. They've been extremely helpful to coordinate back-to-back or business-to-business meetings, whether it be virtual or in person. Whenever there's been an opportunity, my personal manager has messaged me, set up a group chat, and coordinated with my team to ensure that we can actually meet with them and have a productive sit-down conversation.
Well, our personal manager, Nikita, was quite good at helping us. He prepared us before the event, the beginning of the event. It was actually quite a good thing that he tried to organize meetings with the participants that we would like to meet. That was really convenient for us because there are a lot of people around here and it is very difficult to find the right person from out of the crowd.
I like the approach, the way that she provides me all the information, very structured, now consistently every week, just the follow-ups. And I see that all the other participants are really appreciate this kind of interactions.
Personal manager makes my life much easier. I really appreciate that in the front I could send a list of all interesting companies I would like to talk to, and I think it's the first day, it's in the middle of the first day. I think I've talked to already 40% or so.
Like working with our personal manager Annie is really being a pleasure. She really does also a great job, also supporting during the whole Congress. What I really especially want to underline is the work she done for us as a company before actually the Congress started. So really helping with the lead generation, setting everything up like the roll-up banner. So really great work from their side.
Very good impression, very supportive. It was really useful to be in contact with him up front because we received a lot of information about practical aspects, but also about topics and how we should behave during the Congress. And it was really useful for us.